Nelda Rios faced imminent jail time for violating her drug probation. However, her defense stunned the courtroom. A severe brain injury had left her with total amnesia. She genuinely didn't remember being sentenced. Would Judge Boyd actually imprison someone who wasn't even aware?
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 11792, State of Texas versus Nelda Rios. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Albert Chidas from Israel.
Are you Nelda Rios? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Nelda Rios who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 11792 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on April 19, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
I still gotta say I don't remember. I do have a head injury, but
All right. She doesn't remember that she was placed on deferred adjudication. Do you know when she had this head injury? Was it before or after she was placed on probation?
It was before, Judge. And she did remember earlier when we were talking. It's something that I was talking with the state and with probation about. She does have some deficits. She goes to Center for Healthcare Services for treatment.
All right. So do y'all think she's competent?
She has been. This is the first she says she doesn't remember being on probation. And we had actually talked about trying to help her. She was homeless. There's some issues that came up. She's on SSI for her head injury, but she lost her ID. And when that happened, she got evicted from housing. So we could work something out with Haven for Hope, get them to help her get her ID temporarily.
So are you all looking to withdraw the motion and alternate main conditions?
Judge, we thought that it would be better to come and have the motion heard, but again, that's up to you.
I think it would be best probably to withdraw and alternate main conditions.
Your Honor, we were looking to maybe getting some evaluations done while she was in custody.
So what evaluations are we looking at?
A TAP and mental health evaluation.
My only concern is, I understand y'all want to do that in custody, but she's telling me she doesn't remember signing conditions or being on probation. She doesn't have a place to stay?
She was living under a bridge when she was arrested.
So here's my question for you. One or two things can happen. You can remain in custody. While in custody, you will be evaluated. We can reset the motion to revoke, and you can be evaluated for the mental health load. Would you like to do that?
I already know that I'm not able of, that I cannot, like you have to tell me all over again if I didn't understand it.
All right, let's do this. Why don't we see whether or not mental health court will accept her? I know they only do pretrial diversion, but if nobody's going to object to it, I'm willing to do a motion for new trial and we can start all over, because I see I'm not the person who took this plea. So if you would check with mental health court to see if they'll accept her, because that may be the better placement for her, because I think she's going to need one-on-one care. So if you'll check with mental health court and let them know, and you'll have to let them know that she's currently on deferred adjudication. I'm willing, nobody objects, to hear a motion for new trial, grant the motion for new trial, because the key is to get her the mental health treatment, and this is possession less than a gram case. Okay, so is everybody on board with that?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset you for 2 weeks. There may not be anything completed in 2 weeks' time because mental health court will have to interview you, but I just don't want to lose track of you in the system. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Do you have any family?
I don't. I have that. Sometimes I don't even have money to buy me a meal.
Okay.
I haven't been able to I have a bank account with Bank of America, and because I don't have a 19, because when I got arrested, I was in my apartment, and it's a long story, but I had gotten a better criminal trespassing in my apartment, and that's why I got arrested for this case. I'm sorry for it.
Oh, no.
And then I came to court and went through all this process of being out. I don't even have money to buy me something or pay for motel room because of everything I've lost. And I got arrested at the motel. And I know that I've had issues with mental health since I was 10 years old.
Okay. All right. So we're going to give you a 2-week reset, and that's just so I won't lose track of you. So now we have a plan. We're going to try to get you in the mental health court and probation. Could you see about the mental health evaluation while she's in custody, just in case that doesn't work out?
Yes, Sean.
All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset on Nelda Rios, please. You're welcome. All right, so we're going to put it down for August 29th.
Thank you, Judge.
The state withdrew the motion to revoke Texas Code Crimproc Art 42A.751 due to her mental capacity. Judge Boyd diverted the case to Mental Health Court, Texas Gov Code Chapter 125 for treatment rather than incarceration for the original possession charge, Texas Health and Safety Code Section 481.115.